accidentally hit stop instead of the pause. So this is a continuation of the last video. I have an axis system here, and what I didn't quite finish was I create that axis so I can select this plane, grab this sketch, I'll put that normal to the screen. When I do my circle, I'm going off that point, whatever distance you want, and I'm going to go to constraint and constrain just that circle. Okay, and when I exit out and go back to my ISO view, we're going to have too tight of a bend in here. So we're going to go to surface, adaptive. I got the guide curve highlighted here. You don't want that. You want this as your guide curve and your spine. For your sketch, that's the sketch I just created. That's the circle. Preview that. Oof. It just managed to sneak through. If I were to have had this sketch at 2 inches, I bet it's not going to like it so much. Well, I guess I got away with it, but at some point it's going to get too big. This is going to get kinked in here and it won't like it. I'll change that parameter to 3 inches and exit out. Oh my goodness. Let's try 4 inches. And eventually this crisscrosses on itself and just can't make it. It's alright, I'll put it back. To 0.5. Exit out. I've got a tube going along this crazy spline. Okay. And again, under adapt, under section, you can't grab all these points like that. You have to grab them off the tree, and I'm just going to do it off the tree because I think it's an easy way to snag them. And again, when I go to the adaptive, we can go to parameters, and I'll start with number 2. I'll change it to 1/8 of an inch. And then number 3, I'll leave it the same. Number 4, I'll go 3/8 of an inch. And I hit tab. And then number 5, I'll go 1/2 inch. Let's preview it just to see what the heck's going on here. Alright, and then number 6, let's do something crazy like 1/8 of an inch. And then number 8, I'll go back to 1/8 of an inch. Preview that just to see what happens here. You could do all kinds of crazy stuff. Anyways, hopefully that will help you if you are having troubles creating your spine or creating the circle at the end, how I went about getting the circle right at the end there. Alright, that concludes this demo. I'll do the rectangles next.